Guys, over the last few years, I've worked with 200 plus founders, and there's one honest conclusion that I can make. We did over $3.1 million in client revenue tracked, but like I said, one thing I got wrong. And on day one, as I was doing this, I thought my whole job was teaching our clients. But after 200 builds, after 200 systems, it comes down to three things. Not nine, or not a checklist that you will never open. No, three things. So most of what I believed on day one, like I said, the teaching part was wrong. And here's what 200 plus builds actually taught me. So takeaway number one is that positioning beats content. Like every founder, when they come to us, or even like as in the beginning of working together, they just tell themselves or they think, I need better hooks or more posts or better, fancier formats, or I just need to use that viral template that someone else gave me or sold. And they come to us or they come to me to fix their content. But like I said, it's never really the content. The number one unlock after 200 builds is that positioning is everything. Every single time, guys. Like who you help, what problem you solve, and how you deliver this. Get that wrong, and the best hook on earth just points at the wrong person. So we have the receipts on this, the evidence, like the same person won't change. Nicola, at the beginning, she didn't know what an ICP meant. 90 days later, four clients signed. And again, this was a result of dialing in her positioning. Or Julius, who posted 6 months of the wrong content, first week, first result 1 week after niching down. And these people, they didn't get smarter, they got specific. So you want to fix who you're for before you write another post. And takeaway number two, guys, here is that information is never the bottleneck. Like everything I thought, everything I currently teach is on YouTube for free. Like this video is free, right? Every framework, every DM script, every profile teardown, like the internet is so full of information and it has never been cheaper. Like literally with AI, you have access to everything, right? What's actually scarce is the 200-ish hours to build the system that I'm about to explain to you. One time you need this 200 hours to build the positioning, the profile, the offer doc, the content systems, the DM playbook, sales assets, follow-ups, like everything you need to have in order to run your LinkedIn, right? But let's be honest, like you're a founder, you're running a business, you only have 4 hours per week, right? And that's a 50x gap. And you can be as motivated, but that doesn't really close the gap. Like the confession here is that we did sell the cheap thing. Like we sold the system, assuming people had the time, but we left the expensive thing, which I will expand on in a second, on the client side, right? And the day that clicked this, or the day that clicked made this click for us, is the moment we stopped running a program, because you can teach a knowledge gap, right? But a build gap you have to build. Let me expand on that. Like the takeaway number three is that the clients, the people that we speak to, they don't want to learn it. Like I said, you don't want to spend so much time on actually learning how to do LinkedIn, how to get clients on LinkedIn. You just want to have it handed over and built for you, right? And one of the message just that's changed everything is that we kept getting this back. Looks great, but can't you just do it for me? And I used to read this as a lazy question, but it wasn't. Like one in four founders with a real business say the same thing. I would rather learn it myself, right? But almost none of them actually do this. Not because they're weak, but they're busy. So even the people that tell me like, hey, I want to learn it, it's usually just an excuse and they just want to have it done for him. So same founders, same calendars, like Nicholas, who implemented this system, $32,593 in 8 weeks, and now he runs the system 45 minutes per day. Atanas, 19 calls booked in 1 month, 3 clients later in 30 days, or Gabi, who closed over 15,000 euros in the first 4 weeks. But nothing changed here. Only thing that changed is who did the build. So the three takeaways here, guys, on direction is positioning over content. Fix who you're for first. Number two, info is not the gap. The 200-hour build is, and I will expand on this in a second, so stay tuned. And number three, done is better than thought. Like you want to just hand it over, right? You want to have it done. So what we're doing, we're stop selling the map, we're start handing over the car. Like that's exactly the whole reason. Like we now build these installs. We literally have these install plug and play on our site, and then we install it in the client's business instead of teaching you how to do it. Because here's the thing, if you're only taking away one thing from this video, is that you don't need to learn more. You need the thing built, and your 4 hours guarded to do the thing only you can do. So before you guys go, guys, and you continue with your day, if you want to see how this works, if you want to see the whole build, link below, link in the description, takes you to a page, what we're doing, like what we get built, in what order, and what you own in 30 days. Like I said, it's a fully 100% done for you LinkedIn system. And if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And then I will see you soon, guys. Cheers.